All right, we have some news just coming in at this point in time. This has got to do with the Prime Minister's clearest message to bully Trump. Will never let down farmers, is what the Prime Minister has said, saying that he's ready to pay a personal price for the same. It's a resounding, no compromise war cry from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Clearly, the gloves are off here. Modi hints at an all-out counter at US bullying. The American president particularly coming down heavily on India. India says we are ready to pay a huge price, but the interest of farmers comes first, says the Prime Minister. This has got to do with US being bitter about India not allowing access to agriculture, protecting the interest of our farmers, and that's the reason why things have worsened. Karishma is getting in more details on that story, but before that, let's take a listen.
हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। मेरे देश के किसानों के लिए, मेरे देश के मछुआरों के लिए, मेरे देश के पशुपालकों के लिए आज भारत तैयार है।
Interest of our farmers first. That's the word from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I'm going to go straight across to my colleagues Piyush Mishra and Karishma Sudani getting in more details on that big story at this point in time. First to you, Karishma. Give us an idea about how, for the longest time, US has been really trying, and there's no better way to put this, arm twist India into compromising with the interest of our farmers. What were our specific demands that we didn't agree to for them to be further bullied by Trump in this fashion? Karishma.
The US, since day one, has been asking greater market access, especially when it comes to goods pertaining to agriculture, that is rice, milk, maize, genetically organized, organic, genetically organic crops, and soya. Now, India has taken a very strong stance since the beginning that it's not going to let its domestic farmers, domestic industry be impacted, because the minute you give that wider access and you let that happen, then there is going to be an issue with the way our systems and policies have been working, especially surround agriculture. So it's a very politically sensitive move that we are taking. Of course, our country is sticking its neck out in order to take a strong and firm stand of the fact that we are okay to absorb 50% tariff, but we are not okay to let go of something that we've been building on for years. Let's not forget, when it comes to data, about 18 to 20% of our GDP comes from agriculture. So we clearly will not be able to let that go. We cannot have that access, that market access cut down. And the fact that we've been building on the whole concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat and self-reliance, this will not be taken in good stride for us domestically if we have to budge into US demands.
Piyush also is with us. Karishma, continue to be with us. Piyush, this is the Prime Minister's reiteration. Obviously, it also comes at a time when the government is under a fair amount of spotlight, the opposition waiting for one small opportunity for the government to take any decision which would be against our farmers, and hence the government is taking this position that the interest of farmers comes first, isn't it?
Well, that's right, Sneha. The government has once again made it very clear that the interest of farmers comes first, and this is a stand which the government has been taking since the time US announced that it is going to impose tariffs. Remember that in the last few months, there are multiple negotiations those have taken place between India and America, in which America always wanted India to import a few products like non-veg milk, GM crops, on which what we are told from our sources within the government that we are not going to import any kind of non-veg milk because not only the religious sentiments will be hurt, but it is also going to hurt our farmers economically. And that's what the Prime Minister is also highlighting, that okay, he's ready to pay a huge price for that, but for PM Narendra Modi, the interest of farmers comes first. And that's what he has once again highlighted. Remember that he was speaking during a program in which multiple organizations of farmers were also present, and in front of farmers himself, Prime Minister has highlighted that the interest of farmers is very, very important and it is paramount, and that's the stand which the government has been taking, and once again Prime Minister has reiterated this.
Be with us, Piyush, Karishma, getting in those details. Listen in once again to what the Prime Minister said.
हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। मेरे देश के किसानों के लिए, मेरे देश के मछुआरों के लिए, मेरे देश के पशुपालकों के लिए आज भारत तैयार है।
All right, I'm going to go straight across to Tom Vadakan of the Bharatiya Janata Party for more on that. Tom Vadakan, clearly the interest of the farmers and of our fishermen, like the Prime Minister said, has been put forth. But there's a price to pay, and we're seeing that very hard decisions, difficult decisions that have been taken by the US administration, which could cost us dear, isn't it?
Well, Prime Minister Modi ji has said what he had to say. And that is the reality, because we can't be imposed to do the diktats of a foreign head of state. So we are ready to pay the price. Prime Minister set the example that India first, and we will continue to do that. Our interests are important. We will have to do some sacrifices, yes, but we are ready to take on whatever comes our way, and we will support the agricultural sector, the farmers, the fishermen, and other sectors which are priority to India. We will not make any compromise. That's what the Prime Minister said.
I also want to ask you, Mr. Vadakan, this also comes at a time when there is obviously the opposition's eyes on you, isn't it? On the government, on what it decides to do vis-a-vis the interest of the farmers. Fair amount of pressure, because obviously there can't be any decision that is going to be taken against the interest of the farmers. Our agricultural economy is something that we have to protect, and this is what the government is doing.
Yes, when we support the farmers, the opposition will scream that our interests are being compromised. But the reality is, farmers have always been the priority of our Prime Minister. Fishermen is something that we will protect. And the other sectors, sensitive sectors that the Prime Minister mentions, will be protected. And he has reiterated these points. And I think the opposition is trying to build a narrative this way or the other, go against the state. Their hate for Modi ji is reflected in their hate for India, and they are fighting India. And I think the leader of the opposition is leading this tirade, and I don't think there's going to be any compromise by the government of India on these grounds.
Right.